good news for many sectors ahead of the 2019 general election. The cabinet meet held last night. The cabinet took decisions on various sectors including banks, housing, transportation and telecom. Let's listen in to Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, who spoke after the meeting.
एक प्रमुख डेवलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट था कि राजकोट में एक नया ग्रीनफील्ड एयरपोर्ट, ये 1405 करोड़ की लागत से होगा। एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया इसको इनिशियली डेवलप करेगी, कॉर्पोरेट मॉडल होगा इसका, कोई स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल बनाएगी। फेम फेज 2, फेज 1 यानी फेम का अर्थ है फास्टर अडॉप्शन एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स। उसके लिए फेज 2 जो है, जो 2019 से 3 वर्ष के लिए 1 अप्रैल 2019 से होगा, 10,000 करोड़ के रुपए की लागत के साथ नेशनल मिनरल पॉलिसी को अप्रूवल दिया गया है, जिसमें मिनरल का एलोकेशन, मिनरल का रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग एक्सेट्रा, उसके सारे सिद्धांत इसके अंदर होंगे। आरबीआई का नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक में शेयर होल्डिंग बढ़े, उसमें 1450 करोड़ सरकार के ऊपर जो उसका बर्डन है, उसको मंत्रिपरिषद ने अपना अप्रूवल दिया है।
Okay, Ashna Mishra is joining us right now to get us more details. Ashna, take it away, please.
Yes, the cabinet last night gave its nod to various proposals. There were around 30 proposals that were the decision on which were taken yesterday. And of course, there was something on Vodafone. The cabinet has given its approval to allow an FDI infusion of up to 25,000 crore rupees into the company. Then there is something also for the electronic vehicles and hybrid vehicles. The government has given its nod to a policy, the EV policy, which will cost them around 10,000 crore rupees. Apart from this, on the backdrop of this whole India-Pakistan conflict going, the centre yesterday approved an order for giving reservation benefits to economically weaker sections and for promotion and government jobs to SCs and STs in Jammu and Kashmir. The cabinet also decided to promulgate an order, the J&K Reservation Amendment Ordinance, to give reservation benefits to the people living along the international border in the state who often face shelling from across the border. Apart from this, there were a lot of policies that were given a nod yesterday. There was software products policy, mineral policy, a soft loan scheme for sugar mills, which will help mills clear the cane dues. So this is the good news for the mills who are struggling with low cash flows, as well as for the farmers whose cane dues are rising every day. Then the cabinet has also given the nod for a special purpose vehicle for Air India and its subsidiaries.
Thank you, Ashna, for joining us this morning and taking us through all the cabinet decisions that came in late last evening.